everyone, it's Karen here. I'm at the darkroom door booth and I'm really excited to show you their new products. They're labeled with new depending on which ones they are. There we have frame stamps. Oh, that's cool. Actually, I love the one with the dome or the jar. That's really, really cool. I like that because you can create like a little globe. And look at the one with the splatters. How cool is that? Oh, I love that. Okay, so let me show you these. And if you can't see them properly, feel free to pause the video so you can see them better. You can see some examples here. It's hard for me to know how fast to go. Then we have abstract stamps. I guess I started from the opposite side, but there's some really nice abstract stamps. I would say like almost like mixed media stamps, and they're long, so that's very cool. There's also border stamps. So those are nice because you can put them around your journals or cards, or even they're big enough they look like to go even in a scrapbook. So that's really, really neat. I love the one with the film and the butterflies, or even though with one with the paintbrushes. Oh my gosh, definitely my favorite. I want that one now. Okay, so there is the one with the brushes, which I was gonna ask where you can get that one. Sentiment stamps, very cool. There's the new ones there, and then you have those ones here, film stamps. That's neat as well. I like that. And photo stamps. So I guess this is like, looks like a photograph, so you can put them on a card or like a, you know, like a focal point on an art journal. So that's really cool. Here's some examples of cards, and you can see that. More photo stamps. I'm just going to try to go as slowly as possible. How cool is that? I actually really like these. Very, very nice. We have eclectic stamps. I always forget what the word eclectic means, but oh, I love the one with the drips and the crayons. How neat is that? I like that a lot. So here is some more quote stamps. I'm sure you would like that. You can pause to read them as well. And then, oh, collage stamps. I want to go pan out so you can see. It's hard for me if they're high up because of course I'm short, so I'm trying my best to kind of frame everything so you guys can see it well. Just you can zoom in or pause, as I said, the video. Then there is stencils, and really cool in 2 different sizes. No, Jamie, thank you. Thanks. Okay, Jamie from the Crafters Workshop just said not a nice word while I was filming. Did you guys hear that? I hope not. It's just a joke. I don't think you guys actually heard it. And now I can't stop laughing. It's like not nice. And these are the texture stamps. How cool are those? Those are really neat because the size is good, so you can add them to your journals. So yeah, I guess I'm going too fast again. I love the crackle ones and the wood grain ones. Oh, look at the button ones at the bottom. I love that. I love those. Wow, these are really nice texture stamps. And then we have background stamps. Oh my gosh, I don't think they've turned down the air here because it's really, really hot. And there we go. You can see some of the background stars. There's a woven one, honeycomb, butterflies, like stamps, like mail stamps, postage stamps, I meant to say. And then the last panel is rubber stamp sets. So I'll try to get at the top. My shoulder really hurts me, so I can't really like do much with my right arm. But here it is. And here we go. Really, really nice stuff. And almost there. Oh, I love the one with the art. Oh no, I want all these. And there we go. Oh, look at the beautiful card there with the stylus. Okay, so let me pan out. So thank you so much for joining me today at Dark Room Door booth. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye.